So part 2 of this lab kind of builds off part 1. So you got to take part 1's coding and add to it. So part 1, we had that this is all on the computer already. Task main was there, the brace was there, and then you coded for part 1. There's a start motor command. You had your motor's name, comma, the motor's speed. It's all part 1. And you had a wait time of 5 seconds. And then you had a stop motor command. And again, the motor's name was in that little parentheses. That's part 1. Because it was starting it, run for 5, stopping it. There it is. And you also had an ending brace. All right. Part 2, let's look at part 2. Part 2 says you got to program the coding so the motor will start and run at a speed of 77. So I'm going to update my lab. 77. Speed is going to be 77. Okay? And then for 3 seconds. Again, you're going to code this on the Robot C software. I'm just doing a rough draft. For 3 seconds. Okay, it's a rough draft of the coding. This is what it looked like on the actual robot program. So on your program, it'll be on the program. Anyways, after the time's elapsed, the motor will stop. Motor will stop. Got that ready? Okay. For 1 second. That means it's got to stop for 1 second. To make it stop for a second, I have to have it wait. For how long? 1 second. That's that. For 1 second. Done. What's next? Then the motor will start again and run opposite direction at a speed of 35. So start, opposite direction, 35. Okay. So I'm going to add to my code. Whoops. It's going to be a start motor. Motor's name, comma, 35, but it's the opposite direction. On a number line in math class, positive goes from 0 to the right, negative from 0 to the left. So if I'm going positive 77, it's a positive direction. Negative is the opposite direction. Negative, negative. Got it. For 3 seconds. What does that mean? For 3 seconds means we're going to wait. How long? 3 seconds. And then it says, after which time has elapsed, the motor will stop, program ends. So again, here's a rough draft to the code. This is what yours might look like on the actual robot program. There it is. Okay? So this here is our first program. This was first program. Just modified a bit to fit program 2 and to added on this bottom chunk of it over here. So there's basic CodeLab part 2, a rough draft. You go over to your robot program and you code it over there. Good luck with this programming.